Hey guys, welcome back to Madhvi's Creative World. A very happy new year to all the people watching out and a belated Merry Christmas. I hope you had a great celebration at your end, and today this video is about how we celebrated Christmas at our end. And the best part is I would be showing you what I got from my secret Santa, and trust me, I was really lucky this year. This year has been very tough on all of us, but the Christmas presents I got compensated for the year throughout. And just stay tuned and let's see how we celebrated it. So we will start with decorating the Christmas tree, which is the usual ritual, and I've got some supplies from the market, from the local market, and this tree is also from the local market only. And then please stay tuned to see how this turns out.